Good evening, friends. Today we will discuss some more fundamentals of the computer. In last session already we discussed about some of the fundamentals basics. Now we are going to discuss some more fundamentals. See, in the computer field you can choose any means software or hardware. If you want to work with computer field, either you have to go to the software field or else you have to go to the hardware field. Software, what is software, what is hardware, what are the different opportunities in the software, what are the different opportunities in the hardware, one by one we will discuss. So before going to software, what is software? What is software? Software, before this clear definition, you better to go to the what is instruction. Okay. What is instruction? Instruction, it's a single command to the system is called instruction. Single command to the system is called instruction. That means earlier if you see MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, there are everything will be CUI. CUI means character user interface. Character user interface, all the file copying or file creation or file delete. So all these operations will be performed in the MS-DOS with the commands. Suppose if you want to delete one file, then some file name. At the command prompt you have to give. There is no mouse, there is no means graphics in the system in olden days when we are using the MS-DOS. See here, MS-DOS, it's a simple example for the CUI. There each and every operation will be performed with the character, some commands. Okay. So rename, renaming of a file, REN, existing file, and new file, whatever you want to give file name, enter. So this rename REN is a one instruction to the computer. Like that, one instruction means, suppose if you want to prepare one any program, so there will be lot of instructions in one program. There will be lot of instructions. So this is one instruction, this is one instruction, like that number of instructions are there. So instruction means a single command to the system is called instruction. And now instruction is clear. Instruction means a single command to the system is called instruction. Next, program. Program means related group of instructions, related set of instructions is called program. Related set of instructions is called program. Example, making a tea. Making a tea means if you want to prepare the tea, what are the, there are so many instructions. First, your stove should be on. After that, you have to pour some milk and boil it, then mixing of uh, tea powder, then mixing of sugar. So finally output is tea is ready. So that means making this tea is nothing but a one program. Okay, so these are all related instructions. Related instructions is called program. Now come to the software. Software means set of related programs. Set of related programs. set of related programs. So already we discussed what is instruction. A single command to the system is called instruction, and what is program. Related is a group of instructions is called program. And what is software? Software means it's a set of related programs is called software. So again, this software is classified into two types: system software and application software. System software. What is system software? What is application software? System software means this software designed for the system components. For your clear understanding, there are so many components, there are so many devices connected to the system, not components. There are so many devices connected to the system. That devices, how they are working. Suppose example, your keyboard is there. How this keyboard is working? When you press A on the keyboard, it is displaying on the monitor. This is monitor, this is the keyboard. How this A is displaying on the monitor? So this there will be some software to make it initiate, to make it work this keyboard, and it will be coordinated. The software will be coordinated with the input devices and central processing unit. So your alphabets or any information you are typing on the keyboard will be reached to the monitor. So some softwares designed for the devices of the system is said to be system softwares. These system softwares, you can say operating system and device drivers. So printer is having one device driver, and your scanner is having the one device driver, and mouse is having the one device driver. So all these devices are having some software. Without that software, your system will not recognize your devices. Suppose nowadays your all the devices are plug and play. There is no need of loading the system softwares, because of already it is inbuilt with the operating systems. Okay, so that is system software. Elaborately we will discuss later. And what about this application softwares? Application softwares means this software is designed for the only already designed by the somebody, and how to work with that software you have to know. It is a very easy, like MS Office. So MS Office is one application software, group of application softwares. There is one MS Word and Excel, PowerPoint, and MS Access. These are all basic applications of MS Office. This group of applications, these are useful for the your daily uses. That means you have to know what is no need of writing any programs here. Only you have to know the options. There are so many options available in the MS Word, like mail merge and spelling and grammar, making the text bold and italics and margins. These are all very easy, and you have to know what is the command to make it. Okay. So this is the basic system software and application softwares. Again we will discuss what about the system software, how these are developed. These will be developed with the help of the languages. So these languages, what is language? Language, in the coming video I will give the language. So what are the types of languages, that we will discuss. So see, what is the language in general view? What is language you are using? Like for communication purpose we are using the